a diet? I wonder if like what? I think I need to go on a diet.
Man, this guy needs more.
Yeah, that was the end of the day, and we need to get rid of it.
I think that's it. The end of the day. We need to get rid of food. Have it be your garbage, not ours.
Wow, the city from this side is really big too. A lot of people, they come here, they never see this. They only see like the strip because they're just on their resort. They don't get to see like the city.
So is it down there more, the city, or is there like the ocean?
It's down there and then north a little bit.
The ocean,
That way.
yeah, the ocean is like over there. Like
It's behind, yeah.
You go this way, you're gonna see like ghetto, like I take you.
I do want to go see that though.
Just stay on the bus.
Yeah, the bus goes around.
Yeah.
the
You
whole
all the way to
city.
the place where you just see dogs sleeping on the road.
If you go to Google Map and go to Street View, you can see a lot of those already.
But you know, there's some places on the bus where like, go for the king outside now, like.
Oh yeah,
dogs and
man,
everything.
you can't
She
get.
goes, let's stop here, and I'm like, I don't know, it's just you and me, kind of scary.
I was trying to lighten my load too. Okay.
Still have to carry it, but just go internal.
Yeah,